Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade and tune cars in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just go to Cars tab. Right here, you're gonna see the option Upgrades and Tuning. Select that. Let's choose Custom Upgrade. And right here, you should be able to see all the options for your car. Let's say we select the engine. Right here, we have options regarding the engine, like you can go for fuel system, displacement, or flywheel. Let's choose this one, and here we'll see the available choices. Right now on my car I have stock fuel system, and if I want to upgrade it to race fuel system, it would take me around 2200 coins. So let's choose it, and that way we'll able to upgrade the engine fuel system. Similarly, you can upgrade the displacement like this. Again, this gonna take 2200 coins, so we can simply select that. Just like that, you can upgrade other things like tires and all that jazz. Let's say I want to change the appearance, so we'll select this option. We can upgrade the front bumper or rear wing. Let's say we go for front bumper. I want to change it to this one. Okay, for Horizon 6 race front bumper, this will take 5000 coins, so let's upgrade it to that one. You can also change the wing like this one, race rear wing. So if you want to have it, you can simply select that, and that way that thing will be applied on your car. Now after you select each and everything, you will see the total cost. So this will take around 9400 coins. So if I hit the back button, I'll see the option to install parts. So we have to select that option. We need to select the option buy in order to pay the money, and that way we'll able to simply update the car. It is that easy. Instead of upgrading your car manually, you can go for auto upgrade option as well. Like right here, you don't need to do anything. You can simply upgrade your car to specific class. Like I only have one option, which is S2 class, but if you have another car, you should be able to see other classes as well. So if I select this one, I just need to pay 27,000 coins, and that way my car class will change to S2, and that way I'll able to basically upgrade my car in a short time. So this is also the great option which you can use to upgrade your car. Along with that, you can also go for custom tuning. Like right here, you'll able to change other things like front tire pressure, rear tire pressure. You can also change the gearing, alignment, and all that jazz, and you can simply hit apply in order to change the tuning of your car. So you just need to simply select yes here, and that way the changes will be saved on your car. You can also go for my tuning setups. Right here you'll able to see all of your tuning setups, which you can simply choose. You can also go for fine tuning setups. In this option you'll able to see all the tuning setups, and you can simply select the one you like. Let's say I want to go for this one. I just need to select that, need to select the option download and install, and later we just need to pay the money to have that tuning setup. So this will take 1,43,000 coins. So if you are happy with that, you can simply go and purchase that tuning setup. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to upgrade your car or tune your car in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.